now heating your home. Turning off the heating.
With energy prices currently increasing massively in the UK and around the world, we all want to save energy by not having the heating or cooling on when not needed, or to know when somebody else in the house sneakily ups the temperature. If you have the Nest Thermostat, Samsung Smartthings and an Amazon Echo speaker, you can have the speaker announce when the heating or cooling switch is on and off. Shout out to Brian from AutomateYoutLife for the tutorial on how to create virtual switches. I will put a link to his channel below. Firstly, you will need to create a virtual switch within Samsung Smartthings Online using something called a device handler. Follow the link in the description below for the simulated Alexa switch. Copy the code. You will then need to sign into your Samsung Smartthings with your Samsung account. From the menu, then select Device Handler, then create a new device handler from the top right. Select Code, then paste the code and click Create. Go back into the device handler and click Publish from the top right. Now click My Devices, then New Device. Give it a name and label. Then go to Type and scroll down to the bottom and select Simulated Alexa Switch. Then select the location and the hub and click Create. Now you can repeat, but give it a new name like Heating Off to create a second device handler. Next, go into the SmartThings app. If you have not already linked your Nest Thermostat to SmartThings, click on the devices, then click the plus in the top right and add device. Select by brand and then type Nest. Then choose Thermostat and just follow the on-screen prompts. Once added from devices, select the thermostat. Then Routine tab and click plus. Here you have several conditions to choose from. One thing to note, when doing routines, the Nest Thermostat within SmartThings only shows in Fahrenheit, not Celsius, for some unknown reason. This cannot be changed, as far as I can find. This only matters if you're using the temperature to trigger an action. I will just be using the status of heating on or heating off, or as it's known in here as idle, as triggers. Select status, then heating. I remove the selected action and click plus to add my own. Select control device, then find the device you have just added, Amazing Device Nest. Select turn on, then auto turn off after 10 seconds, so that the virtual device turns itself off. Now save the routine. Repeat this action with the new name, something like heating off, and use the device heating off handler. Now go into the Alexa app, then more from the bottom right, then routines. From the top right, click the plus, enter the routine name, click next. Select your Amazing Device Nest from the list. Choose Open. You can change the anytime to specify specific days of the week and time range. Under Action, select Messaging. Then Send Announcement. You can now type the message that will be announced on the Echo speakers. Click Next. You can then select all of your Echo speakers or just select the ones you want the announcement to be broadcasted on. Click Save. You can then repeat this action for your heating, cooling off. And that's it.
Now heating your home. Turning off the heating.
And that was a look of how to set announcements on your Echo speakers when the status changes from your Nest Learning Thermostat. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below. Hit that like button and hit subscribe.